Captain.
I personally feel very proud that I was somehow linked in some way when I was in uniform with Dr. Abdul Kalam in defense, because I was on a ship which was belonging to DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, which was the idea of Dr. Kalam that we should have a ship, and from that ship we have to do trials. So I was part of certain trials of that sophisticated missile which he had designed. It was his idea. And I was very fortunate that he came to my ship, when he was the scientific advisor to the Prime Minister. Because that entire concept which was there was conceived by Dr. Abdul Kalam. As doctor said, he was born in a poor hamlet, Rameshwaram, in tip of South India, went on to occupy the highest office in Delhi. That gives hope to every Indian that everybody can rise with hard work, honesty, dedication. And he epitomized what India is, where there is so much of division. He represented unity in diversity. So today is a great day, and he, with his ideas, with his hard work, with his knowledge, took India to a different level, because they are saying might is always respected. Might comes from military also, and he ensured India was placed right on top, one of those few countries which had technology where that earned respect for India among the so-called superpowers of the world. So we are very grateful that such a great man was there to lead India as a president, and also I personally feel proud. He was my commander-in-chief as the president of India. Thank you.
And the way he has built the country, and his vision was very clear. He made a prediction that with the good leadership which country got, fortunately, in the next 5-10 years, he was president of this particular country from 2002 to 2007. I think that was partly a period of our Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And after that, he has already opined that if we want to become a superpower, where the whole world would have become a 10 billion population, where 1.5 billion people will be in our country, where the superpower will be there, and now if you go to see the whole caricature of the country in the last 7-8 years, today we are third powerful country in the world after USA and China, Russia. So his vision is coming true, and this will all happen, and we will see. We are missing a great man from the world, because who has shown a path to the all other leaders also how to live and how to lead the country. With this, the greatest honor to him, I conclude my few words as a tribute to our great leader APJ Abdul Kalam.
गव्हर्मेंटाकडे मागता की आयज आमच्याकडे 2 एअरपोर्ट आसा, एक दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट आसा आणि एक मोपा बांदता. सो हांव गव्हर्मेंटाकडे मागता की कितें करून हे एअरपोर्ट तेजे नांवान तुमी दवरपाचे, दाबोलीम और मोपा. सो वो सायंटिस्ट आसलो पळय ते पर्टिक्युलर कम्युनिटीक हे करूं ना, इज टोटल इंडियाक घेवन चल्ला, युनिटी करून चल्ला तेन. आनी द मॅन असलो प्रेसिडेंट आयज पर्यंत इंडियान दिवं ना. ही वॉज अ सो सिंपल मॅन. सो आमी रिजवानाक आनी रिजवानाचे क्लब मेंबराक धन्यवाद म्हणटा की तेंच्यांनी एक बरो फंक्शन केला आनी एक दाखयला की बाबा ना, वो मनशाक बी आमी सदां विसरपाक जायना म्हणून. देव बरें करूं.